Okay, so I wanted to come on here and talk about some of the uses for the black cohosh. It does relieve symptoms of PMS and menstrual cramps, increases the estrogen production, relieves the problems associated with menopause like hot flashes and vaginal dryness. I do use this in my herbal PMS formula because I do get severe cramping. I had a lot of bleeding and blood clots, and using black cohosh has really benefited me during that time of the month. Also, I've noticed that since I've been using it, I don't have to take as much. In the beginning, when I started, I was taking like 12 capsules every menstrual cycle, and now I'm down to like 4. So it really does help rebuild your organs as well. It also helps reduce fatigue. I know I usually get fatigued during that time of the month, so it does really combat that. Also treats high blood pressure, osteoporosis. It is an anti-inflammatory, so it's really good for people with arthritis. It preserves the bone and lowers the cholesterol. So even if you don't have PMS issues or menstrual issues, you can take this, but we're going to talk about cautions toward the end. This can also help lower your blood sugar, so it's good for people who have diabetes. It's an alternative to hormone replacement therapy, so if you are taking estrogen medications, you can take this instead. It also prevents excessive sweating and anxiety and depression. There's a couple different ways that you can use this. Some people, I know they make a tea out of it and drink it. It is horrible tasting. I don't think I'd really recommend that. You can grind it up and put it into capsules, or you can make a tincture out of it. So you put the herb, the root is the part that you use. You put that into a glass jar and you fill it up with 100% grain alcohol and let it sit for about 6 weeks and strain it. And you can use the tincture. Little dropper full would be okay. But again, it's very, very earthy and just tastes like dirt. So if you can put it into a capsule form, which I do with my herbal PMS, and you don't taste anything. Okay, now we're going to talk about some of the precautions that you want to take when you're including this herb into your regimen. So you don't want to confuse it with blue cohosh or white cohosh because they are toxic and they probably should not be taken. Although black cohosh can be poisonous if you take it in a high dose, and it's not really meant to be taken over a large period of time. So if you are taking it during your menstrual cycle, or if you're taking it for diabetes, healthy diet. I keep reiterating this all the time. If you're trying to heal your body, diet is very, very important. If you're trying to heal diabetes or high cholesterol or hypertension, you want to make sure that you fix what caused the problem in the beginning. So although this is a wonderful herb, you don't want to take it forever. And if you do happen to take this in large doses, it probably will make you very, very nauseated and you'll end up throwing it up. So just be careful with how much you take. Take the recommended dosage. If you are pregnant or nursing, speak to an herbalist or a naturopath before you take any herbal medication because you never know what the reaction is going to be to your body, and you just want to be very, very cautious because you got a little bun in the oven and you don't want to hurt it. Okay, everyone, that's what I have for today for black cohosh. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, the like button, share button, ding the little bell so you know when I post a new video. Also, I've been trying to keep my videos short, sweet, and simple. I used to do the filming and everything. It was more editing involved, and I just didn't have the time because I'm going to school, taking care of my mom, working, and yeah, busy, busy life. So I just don't really have the time, so you can't see my precious, beautiful face. But you do have 2 kissing bunnies. How adorable is that? All right, you guys have a great day.